Here's how you can make
Brussels sprout stir fry.
from Sesame Street.
Choppity chop, choppity chop, choppity chop, chop. Here's the pepper. Choppity chop, choppity chop, choppity chop. Minced garlic. Choppity chop, chop, choppity chop.
Lift up the whole, and then add the minced garlic. Now stir, 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 stir.
I guess that's why it's called stir fry.
And now add the Brussels sprout.
Oh yeah, put them in there. You go.
Stir, stir, stir. Oh yeah. Ooh, and add the bell peppers.
Oh yeah, bell pepper coming right up.
And finally, a sprinkle of soy sauce.
A sprinkle of soy sauce.
Yeah. Ta-da!
Brussels sprouts. Yikes.
Just try.
Just try. Me gonna try it.
Yeah.
I don't know why growing up, I always heard of kids on TV saying they hated Brussels sprouts. I don't know, maybe it's the way their parents made it, but when cooked correctly, it tastes really good. It tastes like cooked broccoli, but I think kids hated broccoli too. I don't know, I think maybe when you get older, you'll like it, but Brussels sprouts, it's good. Cookie Monster knows what he's doing in the kitchen.
Hey, Gonger, Brussels sprout, delicious. Why you not tell me these things?